So do you know why the same product sells differently for different buyers? The answer lies in the listing. Hello everyone and welcome to Digital Bytecraft. Your product doesn't have a traffic problem. It has a listing problem. If your listing isn't optimized, you are losing clicks, more conversions and sales every day. Then in this video, you will learn exactly how to optimize the listing so it ranks higher and converts more for your buyers. So by the end of this video, we will cover why listing optimization matters, what is listing optimization, finding the right keywords, writing high converting product title, creating a persuasive bullet points, writing an SEO friendly product description, optimizing the backend search terms, adding high quality images. So by the end of this video, you will have a complete step-by-step framework to optimize your listings for both search visibility and high conversion. Let's get started. Listing optimization means improving every part of your product so that Amazon understands your product, customers click on your listings, and customers buy your product. The better your listing means the higher ranking, the better click-through rate, better conversion rate, eventually better sales. So listing optimization improves your BSR, which is the bestseller rank. How this BSR is calculated? Amazon has a simple formula that is based on two things: relevancy and performance. For relevancy, does your listing match what the customer search? This depends on your keywords, title, bullet points, and backend search terms. Whereas the performance depends on sales history, conversion rate, reviews, CTR, price, inventory, and your shipping speed. More sales tells Amazon that the product deserves a higher rank. The higher the rank, the better the sales. Now to show you how listing optimization works, I will give you an example of two listings. So this is the listing that I created just for the knowledge purpose. So you can see that it has a title that is stuffed with too many keywords. Some would say that are like irrelevant. These are like its bullet points that are also stuffed with so many words. Some would say that many words give you a higher ranking. Images, we can say only 4 images are here, but not as such great images. And this is the product description, which is not that bad, but still the listing has 0 reviews right now. And if we go to the item detail, we will not being able to see its ranking because it has not sold yet. Now comparing this listing to one of the best listing of its category. So I went to Amazon bestsellers and I found this listing. Just look at the title. No extra keywords. Reviews are great. Images are great. The first image. Just look at this listing and then I'll start explaining how they have optimized it. Proper bullet points. Just check his bestseller rank, number 1 in kitchen and dining. They have also added a video which is very helpful for the buyers. And this is the A+ content. So we will cover each and everything in this video. So what is keywords and how and why keywords are so much important? So without keywords, Amazon cannot understand your product. So we have to use tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Data Drive, Amazon Search Bar, and Brand Analytics. Brand Analytics is, by the way, available in Amazon. So if your brand is registered, you will see Brand Analytics in your dashboard, and you will get the keywords from that. So once we have all these resources, we should collect primary keywords, secondary keywords, and long tail keywords. Each of these keywords add value to the product. For example, the water bottle we saw. Looking at the title, what should we do in optimization first? So first thing first, we should just optimize the title. Now for the title, a good title should include the brand name, main keyword, important feature, is color and size. Also we should avoid keyword stuffing, all caps, and special characters in the title. Coming to the bullet points, what should a bullet point have? First of all, we should list all 5 bullet points. Focus on benefit, feature, problem solving, material, dimension, and the warranty part. Then we come to the description part. Here they are using A+ content, that's why its description is like this. But if we come here, we would see how the description should be written. We should write it like naturally. We should not repeat the keywords. We should tell the customers how and what the product does, why the product is better, and what is its usability, its material, specifications, its sizes, and how it can add value to you. So this is how you should write a description. Now, very important part of a listing, that is, I would say, a main part of the listing optimization process, that is images. So here you can see the the main image is not good at all. Why? I would tell you. Because if you look at the main image, number one, its quality is not good. It's not covering the whole box. Secondly, it's just looking like it's being cropped and it's not really like a real product. On the other hand, if I could show you this main image, following the Amazon guideline, white background, zoomable, giving each detail of the product. So lifestyle images give you how it would look in real life. So this is a lifestyle image. So your listing must have that. Then we have the infographic. Here also infographic is given, which is good. Mirror polished, dishwash safe, classic. So this is infographic. Then dimensions should be covered. Close-up images should be there. And also packaging must also be shown. So these are the dimension images. These are like close-up images. Always remember that customer buys with their eyes. So if you have brand registry, you should always use A+ content. The benefits are higher conversion, professional brand image, and you can have a comparison over the tables. You can show lifestyle images, you can build your brand story there, and A+ content definitely improves the customer trust. Now coming to another part of listing optimization, which is the backend search terms. So just to show you an example, I have written the backend search term of one of my product. The backend search terms should be under 250 characters. They should be like divided by, they should be like comma separated. Synonyms should be used, misspellings should not be done, related keywords should be used here, foreign spelling should not be done, and do not repeat the words that are already written in the title. Here you can see in this template that I showed in my video earlier, this is the column where backend search terms are being added, or in the listing process where we showed how to list a product on Amazon, backend search terms can also be added. Another part of listing optimization is product category. So if you have selected wrong category, means wrong customers would come to your listing, and that would give you a lower ranking and lower sales. So in this listing, you can see this category is very accurately defined. Home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, dining and entertainment, flatware set. So it's a flatware set. It is being listed in the right category. So while listing your item or while optimizing it, always check the category first. Then the next part is pricing. So after optimizing the listing, you must check whether your listing has right pricing, or rather the competitive pricing. If it is not competitively priced, then your chance of getting a sales reduces to almost zero. Not zero, but very less. So your listing will have a buy box if it is a competitively priced listing. So buy box, this is the buy box. So to get a buy box, you have to follow the Amazon guidelines of competitive pricing. So pricing affects conversion. Too high pricing means too low sales and low profit. Now a very important part of our listing is the reviews. So if you have good reviews, customers these days always believe on the reviews. So if you have good reviews, listing would sell automatically. But if your reviews are bad or you don't have any reviews, the chance of getting sales is very low. So always focus that your customer service should always be very good. Have some good reviews. There are different programs available in the Amazon where you can get reviews as well. Wine is one of them. Inventory. So never run out of inventory, because once you are out of stock, your ranking drops. You lose the buy box and the sales decreases. And once your ranking drops, believe me, it's very hard to get it up. So always replenish your inventory on time. So optimization is a process that never ends. Always keep on tracking your sales. Keep on looking at your listings, your CTRs, its impressions, its conversion rate. Keywords rankings, business reports, also the brand analytics, and update your listing regularly. Keep on improving or adding the keywords. Always use high volume keywords. Answer customers' questions in your copy. Study competitors. Improve images every few months. Update listing based on customer feedback. And test different titles and images to improve the CTR. There are some key elements of listing optimization. Number one is the product title. Then we have the bullet points. Then number three is the product description. Number four, images. Number five, A plus content. Number six, backend keywords. Seventh, review, and eighth, inventory. Hopefully, I have covered every part of the listing optimization process. If you follow these guidelines, your sales would definitely improve. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel. The next video is regarding the use of AI to find the keywords. It's a very important topic. I'll see you there. Thank you.